The Village of Mankota is a small community about 5 hours south of Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. For decades, Mankota's water treatment plant failed to consistently achieve disinfection compliance standards. In 2016, the village got approval to upgrade its water treatment plant to address the water quality issues that had been plaguing the community.
The village really needed a more advanced solution for water treatment. The kind of water that they're trying to treat is very, very difficult to work with. Sapphire Water piloted a biological treatment system for the town. The Sapphire integrated biological reverse osmosis membrane treatment system proved to be successful, and that was the decision that the town made.
There are 3 treatment phases in a SIBROM system: biological filtration, reverse osmosis membrane treatment, and mineral-based pH adjustment. At Mankota, raw surface water enters the facility and flows directly into the first biofiltration tank. Inside the tank is Filtrolite, a very porous clay-based media. The high porosity provides a larger surface area to house bacteria that occurs naturally in water. As water flows through the tanks, the bacteria find a suitable home and attach to the pores of the Filtrolite. As contaminants flow through the tanks, the bacteria consume them. Essentially, the contaminants become nutrients or energy sources for the bacteria. As the bacteria consumes the contaminants, they begin to reproduce and form a biofilm, which increases the efficiency of the water purification process. Contaminants such as iron, manganese, arsenic, phosphorus, ammonia, and organics can be removed by the bacteria in the biofilters. Once the bacteria starts to consume water contaminants, the biological water purification process begins. Conditions conducive to this process are optimized, and the natural biological purification inside the biofiltration tanks occurs at a rate that is 10,000 times faster than in nature. At Mankota, 4 biological filtration tanks are required to sufficiently treat the high concentration of contaminants in the village's raw water. Next, the water enters phase 2, where it passes through membrane filtration. Here, nanofiltration is used instead of reverse osmosis to remove any remaining contaminants, particles, and dissolved solids. Finally, the biologically stable, purified water passes through a pH adjustment process to ensure the water is not corrosive.
The entire biological process provides the town with good, clean, safe drinking water that meets all of the current and future regulations and guidelines in Canada. They're very happy with their water.
Our feed water quality changes seasonally. We have to deal with algae blooms, excessive water runoff, and extremely cold water conditions. Previously with our old system, by the time I had noticed the need for a change and then made the change, water quality had already changed again, forcing me to start all over. With the SIBROM system, the biofilters handle these fluctuations, requiring little to no adjustment. This provides a very consistent feed water quality to the membranes.
Upon completion of the SIBROM system in summer 2018, the boil water advisory was finally lifted. Through its Facebook page, the village shared an important update.
Currently, we have over 20 SIBROM systems running across Western Canada, with several more under construction at this point in time. The communities that have implemented our SIBROM water treatment system experience better water at lower costs. They use less chemicals, and the systems continue to run very, very well.